What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update the software and OS of your Huawei TalkBand Basics fitness tracker. So let's start it. So first of all, make sure that your Huawei TalkBand Basics is connected to your smartphone using the Huawei Health application. So first of all, let's launch the Huawei Health app on your smartphone. After that, go to the devices and then just tap on your TalkBand Basics icon here. Then you need to scroll down, go to the bottom, and here you will find an option called firmware update. Just tap on this and then it will start checking whether any software update is available or not. As you can see, there is a software update available for my TalkBand Basics here. You can also have a look on all of the features and options that this new software update is going to bring to my TalkBand Basics. So just tap on update button here. After that, it will start downloading the software update package, and once the downloading is finished, it will start transferring the software package to the TalkBand Basics. And now you can see that the transferring part is started. And here we go. So now the Huawei TalkBand Basics is restarting. So now I can just tap on finish button here. And here we go. Now you can see that it's installing the software package that we have just downloaded and transferred to the TalkBand Basics. So it's going to take some time as well. And now the device is restarting again and we are done. So the new software package is downloaded and installed on our Huawei TalkBand Basics. If we have a look on the Huawei Health application once again, and if we go to firmware update one more time, it will start checking, and you can see that this is the latest version that we have just installed on our TalkBand Basics. So this is how you can update the software and OS of Huawei TalkBand Basics to get all of the latest features and options. So that's all for now, friends. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon as well to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.